Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice like biryani. First, wash 2 cups of basmati rice until the water is clear. Then, soak the rice in 3 cups of water for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows the rice grains to absorb moisture, ensuring they cook perfectly and achieve that beautiful, elongated texture characteristic of biryani. It's a simple start to a delicious dish. Next, let's infuse our rice with wonderful aromas. In a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil. Add whole spices such as 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 small cinnamon stick, and 3 cloves. Don't forget to stir in 1 teaspoon of salt. These spices will impart a fragrant base, making your rice incredibly flavorful, just like authentic biryani. Now, for the cooking process. Carefully drain all the water from your soaked basmati rice. Gently add the drained rice to the vigorously boiling, spiced water. Cook the rice for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. It's important to cook it until it's about 70% done, meaning it should still have a slight bite to it or be al dente. This prevents overcooking later. Once your rice is 70% cooked, quickly drain it using a colander to halt the cooking process. This perfectly par-cooked rice is now ready for layering with your flavorful biryani curry. The remaining 30% of the cooking will occur during the dum process, where the rice and curry steam together, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade biryani.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.